Hey you guys, so I'm sitting here editing the video and I was like, oh my gosh, I did not give my special shout out. I want to give a special shout out to Jasmine Hurts. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me and subscribing and joining the Honey Gang, honey. If you have not already done that, you guys, go ahead and do that now and let's get to the video. So keep on dancing, baby. Hello honeys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. As you see from the title, this video is going to be another takedown video, honey. It is time to take this down. A lot of people don't agree. My husband is like, it looks fine. You do not have to take it down. But honey, I just don't like when hairstyles start looking old, and it's looking old to me. It's been 2 weeks. It's been about 2 weeks. So that is long enough for me, okay? I am ready for my hair to be down. And for y'all know how I am. Y'all know how I get. So y'all seen the before. Make sure y'all can see exactly what it's looking like. I mean, it may be fine to others, but it ain't fine to me, okay? If you guys have not checked out my lock count video, y'all, that video came out today. So go find out how many locks I have and how I'm able to have this much volume. It is best that somebody else be doing my hair and that it is in a style where it can be natural and thrive all on its own. So getting locks was definitely the best decision for me, as I tell y'all in every video. Y'all probably tired of hearing me say that, but child, it is the truth, okay? If you have not already subscribed, honey, what are you waiting for? Go on and join the Honey Gang, okay? Honey, join the gang. See, and it's been braided, so it gotta, it needs that time, you know what I'm saying, to be loose before I get it retwisted again. I get my hair retwisted every 4-ish weeks. So I don't ever get it sooner than 4 weeks, but so, and it's gonna be about that time. So I want to be able to enjoy my hair while it still looks, you know, fairly new and retwisted, you know what I'm saying? I want to be able to wear it loose. Yes, honey. They all stiff in the front, but they all good in the back. But y'all can see what my hair look like. This is what it's looking like, y'all. Okay, y'all. I tried to moisturize and go with the parts and not be too rough. Cause sometimes when I take my hair down out of the style, you'll have like my end pieces. Some of them, if they real loose, like they'll come off. And like earlier, I just picked it up off the floor. There was a piece, y'all see that? A piece that was just in the hair when it was braided, and it came off. Hey honeys, so it is the next day from me taking my hair down. I wanted to show you guys some things. So this is what it looks like the next day after it's been taken down. So something that I found yesterday after I had taken it down. Remember I had showed you guys that little piece that y'all seen in the previous clip? I think I found that lock where that possibly could have come from. This lock right here is looking like it's barely like hanging on. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm trying to put it in front of the white wall. Can you guys see that? It's like it's thin here. Then we have a piece here. Now I know like my locks in the front, they're smaller and shorter. Like this one right here, they're smaller and shorter because it's just like my edges locked, right? So they're smaller and shorter, but like this is a really good one. This is a really good lock in the front. This is a really good lock in the front. This is a really good lock in the front. Like, yeah, they may be shorter, but like they still are pretty, you know, thick, I guess. This one, not so much. So I did notice that some of these in the front look like that. And I think she has combined some of these in the front just because my hair is so fine. And so I think she told me I have thick, fine hair. So like the hairs are like really, really fine, but I have like a lot of hair. So I'm wondering if that piece came from like a lock like this. Cause y'all know my locks is bomb full and thick. They don't look like that. So I'm wondering if these in the front are a little more fragile and she may have to combine these. So I just want y'all to be able to see that I do think that that's where that's come from. And what I have decided is just to make sure, like, because I have some fragile locks. Now, some locks are, like, good to go. Like, most of them are really good to go, even in the front. So, like, you know, but there's some that may just need me to be a little more gentle. So when you have starter locks, like you just want to make sure that you're, you know, being kind of gentle with some of them, even when you're like moisturizing and all that good stuff. So I'm going to make sure that I'm not being rough. I know that one of the reasons why I got locks in the first place was because I'm not patient. I am my hair's worst enemy. And so I want to make sure that even though locks are easy, I want to make sure that I am still being gentle with them in their fragile stage, just because, you know, they're starter locks. Like, this is the beginning. We're only 4 months in. And I'll do more of an update in like my 5th month update video, but I have noticed a lot. But that was something I wanted to come here and show you guys because I noticed that after I took my hair down. And I've decided that I'm going to wear my bonnet to bed instead of just laying free. Even though most of my locks are fine with it, I don't think, like, just because of the ones in the front and just because that little piece breaking off kind of scared me a little bit, it's kind of making me like, okay, hold on, chill, girl. Like, watch what you're doing. So I do still have my silk pillowcase, but I'm still going to secure my locks while they're loose. to make sure that those ends are not breaking off, because we do want those ends, you know, even if they're little, we still want those little pieces in the lock. The other thing too is I wonder if I'm leaving my styles up too long. So that's something I'm going to ask my loctician about, is if she thinks I'm leaving these styles up too long and it may be causing breakage at the end, since they're already so thin and fragile, like especially in the front. Like if leaving the style up too long can cause that. So if y'all know anything about anything I just talked about, go ahead and leave it down below. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, I just want to come on here and give a quick little update about me taking my style down and what I noticed and all that good stuff, to kind of help you guys out that are starting locks to maybe pay a little bit of attention to that. I know I definitely am going to pay more attention to that. I want to be as honest as possible with you guys about my hair journey, my lock journey. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Now let's end this video. So yeah, y'all tell me what y'all think down below. How y'all think my locks are doing. This is the style takedown video. Let's see, what emoji could y'all leave at the end of this video? Any emoji. It can be any emoji y'all want. Just leave them down below for a chance to get a shout out in my next video. Y'all let me know how y'all think my hair is doing, and I will pick one to do a shout out. Okay, go ahead and please like, comment, and subscribe, honey. Join the honey gang. Okay, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.